Well, my name is Don, and I came here. My wife was already a patient, and she recommended that I come here. I had an old filling that had came out, and I came to get it repaired. And this place is one of the best places I've ever been to as far as the dental office. The work they've done has been nothing but quality. They have assembled a great team. They all work together. They're all friendly. They're all personable. They make you feel like you're part of the Barras family. They made you feel right away that, that they cared about your well-being. I had several crowns they had to do and replace and repair and things like that. It turned out to be that I needed more visits than I originally thought, but I can understand that with the work that had to be done to get me where I needed to be, it took some time. This dental office is very well equipped, modern equipment. They show you your x-rays and explain their x-rays to you and make you feel like you know exactly what's going on and what your needs are. My doctor here mainly has been Dr. Christy. She's just outstanding. I mean, she takes care of you. She lets you know what's going on. She shows you on the film what you need and makes you feel like, they're doing the very best care possible. My name is Don. I feel like Barras Family Dentistry is taking care of me. I can smile. I have no worries about the future. I love this place.